Who can apply for Class 4 license? The training is divided into 3 levels: theory classes, yard training, and road training. Dubai, the most detailed commercial driving license testing. Dubai has the most complete testing process in the UAE. Every test is a lesson and every mistake has a cost. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your Syed with OpenFR8, and today we are unlocking the complete guide to UAE commercial driving licenses, especially the Class 4 license, which is the most important license for heavy vehicles and trucking carriers in the UAE. If you are someone dreaming of driving 3 tons to mighty low weights, if you want to conquer highways, cross borders, and touch the heart of logistics, then today's video is for you. This video is 100% practical, based on real transporters, driving schools, and real test procedures in each emirates. So let's dive straight into it. Class 3, the light movers, they carry cities, pickups, vans, couriers, the heartbeat of daily deliveries. Class 4, the giants of the road, where trucks turn into beasts, trailers stretch into 40 feet of steel, and low beds transport machines heavier than the dreams. This is the license that transforms you from drivers into captains and rookies into road warriors. Class 5, the people carriers, buses, the guardians of lives. Class 6 and 7, the earth movers, trains, forklifts, bulldozers, the hands that shape skylines. Who can apply for Class 4 license? Here are the correct age rule. Dubai, minimum age limit is 20 years. All other Emirates, minimum age limit 21 years. Dubai is the only Emirate allowing 20-year-olds for the road test. Documents needed: your Emirates ID, your passport, a visa that speaks your story, a eye test that sees your future, a photo that captures ambition, and a simple NOC that says, yes, you are ready. Training structure. The training is divided into 3 levels: theory classes, yard training, and road training. Theory classes. Firstly, heavy vehicle basics, hazard management, cargo safety, highway driving, and vehicle inspection. Secondly, yard training, reverse driving, parking, walk-around inspection, trail coupling methods. Thirdly, road training, highway driving, industrial areas driving, roundabouts, lane discipline, long vehicle turning techniques. Exact test. Here we will see Dubai versus other Emirates. Dubai, the most detailed commercial driving license testing. Dubai has the most complete testing process in the UAE. Your Class 4 license test will include slope test, handling a heavy truck uphill without rollback. Secondly, signal test, quick reaction to traffic signs on a digital board. Third test will be strapping cargo securing test, showing how to strap cargo properly. Fourth, a reverse test, reverse the truck precisely in the designated area. Fifth, trailer coupling and uncoupling test. Dubai RTA additionally test your ability to connect the trailer, disconnect the trailer, secure the kingpin, check the air hoses. This is crucial for driving 40 feet trailers and low bed. Sixth, final road test, full driving performance on actual roads. And now we'll move on to the other Emirates. Other Emirates processes are simpler and faster. Sharjah, Ajman, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Umm Al Quwain all follow a simplified format. Signal test, reverse test, road test. No slope, no cargo strapping, no trailer coupling or decoupling test. This is why many drivers find Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah easier and cheaper. Cost. Dubai sets the stage differently. Here, precision is everything. Here, every test is a lesson and every mistake has a cost. In Dubai, unlimited attempts, a full training journey costs between 11,000 to 12,000 dirhams, because Dubai doesn't just test you, Dubai prepares you. But the other Emirates cost around 6,000 dirhams. Their roads whisper a simpler path, no unlimited packages, no all-inclusive training. Every failure has a price. Fail the signal test, you pay 350 to 400 dirhams for a retry. Fail the reverse or final road test, you are looking at 1000 dirhams again. And when the shurta, the officer, steps in, he might just say 2 words that change everything. Take classes. 4, 6, 8 classes. No argument, no shortcuts, because heavy vehicles aren't just machines, they are responsibilities. They are discipline, they are trust. Whether you choose Dubai's precision or other Emirates' simplicity, remember this: a Class 4 license is not just a card, it's a commitment to carry weights, to protect lives, and to master the roads. Dubai may test you harder, other Emirates may test you faster, but the roads test you everyone equally. If this video add value to your journey, smash the like button like a gear shift. Drop a comment if you are starting your Class 4 adventure and subscribe for more UAE logistics, transport and trekking wisdom. Thank you for watching.